My name's Ashley. I'm gonna play 2 songs for you guys. This one I wrote in Nashville. It's a little more country. Testing, testing. I sit at home all alone, thinking about all of the comes and goes, and the pain feels like I'll lift up till I hear a voice of someone who loves. So won't you put it all on me? Yeah, I'm sitting here waiting for the chance you let me in. Won't you let me be? Yeah, closer to you than your heart is to mine. And it brought me back to the sea when I heard him breathing next to me. But now that I'm left stranded on the shores, the holy winds move me on forward, singing, won't you put it all on me? Yeah, I've got some money in my bag, just you see. Won't you let me be? Yeah, closer to you than your heart is to God. The point of life is just not to die before you're dead. So won't you put it all on me? Hey, I've got your back and I love who you are. Won't you let me be?